The Council of State of the French national government, that acts as both a legal advisor of the executive branch and the Supreme Court for the administrative justice, allowed the researcher Francois Grana to get hold of the documents that possess the history of Rwanda on the rule of France Mitterrand. These documents, which the researcher in the organization of the Survey of Activities for Change in the Politics of France and of Africa, that was given right to use in research, show that this country had a hand in the genocide against the Tutsi between the year 1990 and 1995. There are those who think that investigations into these documents of the President Mitterrand would reveal a lot concerning the news that France had at the time on the issues that concern the planning of Operation Turquoise. The actions done by France in Rwanda was the way they abandoned the Tutsi in Bisesero. The fact that the researcher was allowed to get those documents on hold that had been made discreet for years, there are those who see this as a paved way for other researchers who still want to investigate on the news possessed in those documents. In May 2018, the President of France, Emmanuel Macron, announced that his government is ready to open doors to researchers to elaborate on behalf of the country in the history of the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi. This comes shortly 1 year after a group of researchers was established. France is one of the countries that have been habitant to a big number of people suspected for taking part in the genocide against the Tutsi. Lately, it is in France that a top genocide fugitive, Félicien Kabuga, was captured, a man that is believed to have bankrolled the genocide against the Tutsi, who had been on the run for 26 years.